Hey guys, welcome to day 24 and today let's have some fun again. Today I'm going to give you a quiz on 10 word vocabulary of HSK2. So the answers will be at the end of the video. 你准备好了吗? Are you ready? So let's go.第一，回答，回答，回答。第二，准备，准备，准备。第三，休息，休息，休息。Some people will pronounce it as 休息 because the original tone for 息 is second tone. So some people will say 休息 some people will say 休息。第四，生病，生病，生病。第五，等，等，等。第六，起床，起床，起床。第七，唱歌，唱歌，唱歌。第八，跳舞，跳舞，跳舞。第九，打篮球，打篮球，打篮球。第十，旅游，旅游，旅游。So please let me know how many questions did you answer correctly. So that's all for today and see you again. Bye.